this is Abdullah, mathematics senior lecturer. Today we are going to deal with the most important problem of respective chapters. As this coaching is as free of cost given by the Shaheen group of institution, behalf of Shaheen group of institution, today we are giving to you. Hopefully, the most important problem we will deal on the board, and the similar problem we are going to assign you as homework. So please, the first, I will let you know what are the chapters that are contain LAQs. Okay, the first thing, this is 2B. Okay, the first chapter that having the LAQ sections, circles. Okay, today we deal about LAQs only, then we move to the SAQs, then we move to the VSAQs. Okay, so the first chapter that contain more LAQs is circles. Here you will get 2 LAQs. Okay, and the marks is 14 marks. Each carry 7 marks. The second chapter, parabola. 1 LAQ, 7 marks. The third chapter, integration. 2 LAQs, 14 marks. Fourth chapter, definite integral. Definite integrals, 1 LAQ, 7 marks. And finally, we have to go differential equation, differential equations, 1 LAQ, 7 marks. Okay, so these are the weightage of marks for the section C. Okay, from the first chapter, 2 LAQ, and from the parabola, 1 LAQ. These are comes in coordinate geometry, and remaining comes in calculus. Okay, so first today we will deal with the circles. Now coming to understand LAQs of circle, which type of LAQs is going to be asked in circles. Page number 23 of exercise 1A, section 3rd. I'm writing the problem on the board if it is not a textbook with you, so please copy with me. Those who are copying with me, copy, because I'm going to be rough. The solution is very lengthy. So please copy with me. Look at the board, everyone. Here, what is given to us? Find the equation of the circle passing through each of the following 3 points. This is given to us. Here, the first 3 points are 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Second, 1, 2, 3, -4, 5, -6. Third one, 2, 1, 5, 5, -6, 7. And the fourth one, 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 3. Now, we have to solve each section of this problem. We will start our solution with the first problem. Okay, what is the first problem? See here, find the equation of the circle. Okay, that is passing through from these 3 points. What that equation we have to find? Okay, the solution, given that the first one, what is given to us? 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 4. If you want to draw the coordinate geometry coordinate for this, you can able to draw. This is our coordinate system. 3, 4. 3, 4, maybe here is the point. 3, 2 here, and 1, 4. 1, 4. So this circle become like this. Okay. We need to find this equation of circle that is passing through from these 3 points. Okay. So first we have to write the general equation of circle. The equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The above equation of circle, look at here. The above equation of circle passing through the point. The first point we have to take 3, 4. Okay. The first point, what is that first point? 3, 4. On the place of x, 3. On the place of y, we have to keep 4. So substitute these points here. So it will be 9. 4 square is 16 plus 2gx. 2, 3 the 6g. 2fy. 2, 4 the 8. F plus c as it is, we have to keep, is equal to 0. Now 6g plus 8f, right here, 6g plus 8f. 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. Plus c is equal to 0. This equation we have got by substituting the first point on the place of x and y in the equation of circle. So this is our equation first. Now again, equation of circle passing through from the equation of circle passing through another point, we have to take 3, 2. 3, 2. So x square on the place of x, 3, on the place of y, 2. X square 9, y square 4 plus 2gx. 2, 3 the 6g. 2fy. 2, 4 the f. 2 to the 4 f as it is. Plus c is equal to 0. You have to substitute all the values here. X square 9, y square 4, 2gx. 2, 3 the 6g. 2 to the 4f plus c is equal to 0. Keep it as it is. Now arrange this in a proper way, that is 6g plus 4f plus 13 plus c is equal to 0. This is your equation second. Okay. Now we have one more point here. What is that point? 1, 4. 1, 4. The equation of circle passing through the point 1, 4. 1, 4. So what we are getting? X square. 1 square is 1 plus y square. 4 square is 16 plus 2gx. On the place of x is 1. 2 1 the 2. 2fy. 2 4 the 8f plus c is equal to 0. By substituting these points on the place of x and y, we have getting this value, this equation. So 16 plus 1, 17. So we write in a proper way, that is 2g plus 8f plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. This is our equation 3rd. So just these 3 equations we have got by substituting individually 3 points in this equation. So we have got 3 equations. Now the next step, what we have to do? See here, we want to get the value of g, we want the value of f, and then we want the value of c. These 3 values we have to know. How? See here how I am finding. First, I have to cancel the c. How? Equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay. What is equation 2? 6g plus 4f plus 13. Yeah, 13 plus c. This is our equation 2nd minus equation 1. What is equation 1? 6g plus 8f plus 25 plus c is equal to 0. Now simplify that bracket equation with the minus, multiplying by minus sign. So how the changes are coming, we are observing here. So 6g plus 4f plus 13 plus c minus into 6g minus 6g minus into plus minus 8f minus 25 minus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now what are the terms can get cancelled? First 6g minus 6g get cancelled, and then plus c minus c get cancelled, and then we are having 4f minus 8f minus 4f. 4f minus 8f is minus 4f plus 13 minus 25 is minus 12. Okay, so it is minus 12 is equal to 0. No other elements here. Yeah, all the terms are cancelled and remaining terms got this form. Okay, so minus 4f I can write 12. 4 1 the 4 3 the get cancelled. So minus f is equal to 3. F is equal to minus 3. This is the first value we have got by simplifying the equation second, separating equation 2nd from equation 1. Okay. Now, the next step? Now, similarly, we are having one more equation, that is equation 3rd and equation 2nd. So here, again, equation 3 minus equation 2. Okay. See here we are having terms. Okay. See, our intention to get the values of g, f, and c. Okay. If in an equation, if you are having more than 2 unknown terms, we cannot get. See here, g is unknown, f is unknown, c is unknown. At a time, we are having 3 unknown values. How we have to first cancel any one value. Here we have cancelled the constant terms. Okay, then it's easy to find the value of g and f. So that's why first we have to use equation 2nd and equation 1. You can use equation 2 and 3. You can use equation 3 and 1. It's up to you. Okay, but your intention to get the values like that. Okay, yeah, you can take, but your intention should get the values. Okay, so this is a proper way to get the values. The next, what we are having? Equation 3 minus equation 2. What is equation 3? We are having 2g plus 8s plus 17 plus c minus equation 2. What is equation 2? 6g plus 4s plus 13 plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now multiply the bracket with the minus sign and observe what we are getting. So 2g plus 8s plus 17 plus c minus 6g minus 4f minus 13 minus c is equal to 0. So now what are the terms can get cancelled? Plus c minus c get cancelled. What we are having next? 2g minus 6g is minus 4g. 8f minus 4f plus 4f plus 17 minus 13 plus 4. Any more terms? Nothing. It's equal to 0. From this equation, I am taking minus 4 as common. Okay. If I take minus 4 as common, so g minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So what left here? Minus 4 when it comes here, it will become again 0. So g minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. I am getting. So now what we have? G minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we are having f is equal to minus 3. We have got in previous equations by solving the previous equations, separating the equations. So put f is equal to minus 3 in the above equation. So what we are getting? G minus, on the place of f, minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here g minus into minus plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2 is equal to 0. So g is equal to minus 2. This is the next value we have got for the g is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3. These two values we have got. Now we want to know the value of one more unknown terms, that is c. Okay. In any equation, you can keep this g value, f value in any of three equations. But my suggestion, which equation easy to simplify, keep in that. Okay. So by observing, you can understand equation 3, it will be more easy to simplify. Okay. So put g comma f values in equation 3. We are using equation 3 to find the value of c by using the value of g comma f. So first, what we are having equation 3, write it here. It's 2g plus 8f plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. So now on the place of g, minus 2 plus, on the place of f, what we are having? Minus 3, right? Plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. 2 to the 4 plus into minus minus 2 to the 4 plus into minus minus 8 3 is 24 plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. Now minus 24 minus 4, how much? Minus 28 plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 28 plus 17, how much? Minus 11 plus c is equal to 0. So c is equal to 11. Finally, we have got the value of c is equal to 11. Okay. Now we got the value of f minus 3, g minus 2, and c as 11. Okay. These three values, again, we have to move to our required equation of circle. This equation we have to use to get the required equation of circle. Okay. So shall I rub this part? Yes. Nobody. So now again, we are using our general equation of circle, that all values we are using here. What we are having here, okay? Put G comma F comma C values in equation of circle. What is that equation of circle is? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now what we have got the value of g, x square plus y square plus 2. What is the value of g? We have got, I think, minus 2. Yeah, minus 2 plus 2. What is the value of f? Minus 3 plus c. On the place of c, what we have got? The value of c as 11 is equal to 0. So simplify it. X square plus y square minus, here you have to write x and here you have to write y. On the, after substituting the value of g and f, x and y was left. So minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the solution of the given problem. From the beginning to ending till here, you check once again. If I have any doubt anywhere in any step, please ask. So now we move to the next problem. Listen here. This is the this was the solution for the first 3 points. Remaining second bit, third bit, and fourth bit, you have to try by yourself. Hope you will get. And we move to the next expected problem for the 7 marks. I will write on the board. Section third, second bit, it will be second problem. The another one that is expecting to become in the exam, or those who are writing improvement or supplementary, what that second problem of same bit, that is third bit, second problem. Listen, I am reading the problem. Similar problem I'm going to give as homework. So please understand carefully. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts. The point to be noted down, making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here in the problem, in the previous problem and this problem, what is the difference? In the previous 7 marks problem, all the 3 points are given to you. Okay. Whereas in this problem, find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. It means that this circle first passing through from the origin. For example, if you want to draw this coordinate, okay, passing through from the origin, we know that this is the origin and it's passing through from here. Okay, one thing we know. Next, making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here, passing through from 0, 0, not an issue. What is? Making intercepts 4, 3. So first we have to write x-axis intercepts. We know that on x-axis, the value of y-axis is 0. So the first value, it is mentioned at x-axis. Intercept on x-axis at what value? 4. So x-axis intercept is equal to 4, 0. It means that this is the first point of the circle that is passing through, and 4, 0. This is another point. Okay. And what is the third one? Y-axis intercepts. What is the y-axis intercept? We know that on y-axis, the value of x is 0. So the next point will be 0, 3. So 0, 3 may be here. So the circle is passing through like this. Okay. Draw the neat circle. Okay. This is the geometrical representation of this particular question, that is problem. Okay. So what is the difference? These points are not given to you in the previous problem as it is, whereas here it is given as intercept forms. The circle making intercepts 4, 0 on x-axis, 0, 3 on y-axis. Okay. So we have to find the 3 points by using this concept. Okay. So now move to the next part of the solution, how we have to solve this question. Okay. So the first thing, we have to take general equation of circle, that is our equation of circle is equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, this equation of circle passing through the first point. What is the first point? 0, 0, that is origin. So we have to write the above. In this, you can write equation of circle also, not an issue. Equation of circle passing through 0, 0. So what we are getting here? On the place of x, 0. On the place of y, 0. So nothing, we are get 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f, again 0 on the place of y, plus c is equal to 0. So these all things becomes 0. So finally c is equal to 0. So in the first point substitution only, we have got one unknown value, that is c is equal to 0. This is the first thing we have got. Not the, what's the next thing? See here, this is the first point substitution, and we have got c is equal to 0. Usually we do not get, because here both the points are x and y values are 0. That's why we have got c is equal to 0. Usually we get some equations. Now moving to the next part, that is x intercept point, that is 4, 0. Equation of circle passing through, what is the next point? 4, 0. 4, 0. Okay. So on the place of x 4, on the place of y 0, x square 16, y square nothing, 0 square is 0, plus 2gx on the place of x y plus 4, sorry, 2fy on the place of y 0 plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now 16 plus 8g, this all things become 0, so no need to write. C is equal to 0. See, from here we are having c is equal to 0. From previous substitution we have got that. So what we can write here, since c is equal to 0, this implies 16 plus 8g on the place of c 0 is equal to 0. So what we have now, this implies 16 plus 8g is equal to 0. So this implies 8g is equal to minus 16. So 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16. Here we have got g is equal to minus 2. Okay. This is the next value we have got by substituting the next point, that was 4, 0 after 0, 0. Okay. So here we have got g is equal to minus 2, as well as we have got c is equal to 0. What is the next step? Now using the third point. Equation of circle passing through, what is the third point? 0, 3. Okay, 0, 3. Equation of circle passing through the another point is 0, 3. So what we are having, x square, that is 0, y square 9 plus 2gx, 2g 0 plus 2fy, that is 3, plus c is equal to 0. So simplify it. Let's see what we are getting by simplifying that. So what we are having, 9 plus 2g, 9 plus 2g, sorry, 9 plus 2g into 0, anything into 0 is 0 only. So just only 6f, 9 plus 6f, 9 plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Again, we are having the value c as 0. Since c is equal to 0, this implies 9 plus 6f plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So now nothing, we are having 0, 3, 9 plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. So just simplify it. What we are getting, 9 plus 6f plus 0 is equal to 0. So 9 plus 6f is equal to 0. 6f is equal to minus 9. So f is equal to minus 9 by 6. That is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. So f is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is another value we have got. Okay. See here, if 3 points are given to you, if intercepts are given to you, the same concept you have to apply. First, write the general equation of circle. Substitute the first point, you will get equation. Next point, you will get equation or some value. And another point, when you substitute, you will get equation or some values. Okay. Now, all the unknown values like G, F, C, we have got here. Again, we have to substitute these all values in our equation of general equation of circle. Okay. So now, again, I have to write equation of circle. Put G comma F comma C values in equation of circle. In equation of circle. Okay. What is that equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now substitute the values. What is that? X square plus y square plus 2. G on the place of g is minus 2. X plus 2 on the place of f minus 3 by 2 into y on the place of c is 0 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x, these two and these two get cancelled, plus into minus, minus 3y is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. It is lengthy, but easy. From the beginning till the end. Here, how we are getting this solution, you observe each and every step from the beginning. Wherever having any kind of doubt, please ask. नहीं नहीं मैं छूंगा कैमरा मेरे पास था डिफरेंट Okay. So, so this was the concept that we have used to solve the 7 marks question. Expected one of the question from the circle, 2 questions. One of the expected is 3 points given to you. You need to find 3 points are given to you, or this kind of problems can come. So now we move to the next part of solution. I will give one homework for this. You please do the homework. Similar problem I will give. Similar problem I'm giving as homework. You have to do. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts, making intercepts 6 units on x-axis and intercepts 4 units on y-axis. This problem you have to do similar to previous problem which we have solved just now. Do not forget to solve. If I have any kind of doubts, send in the comment box. So now we will move to the one of the most important concepts, one more thing, that is contact link. Okay. So please copy this problem and we will go to the next problem that is also expecting one of the important problem. Shall I rub this? So now till here we have used 3 points and we have find the equation of circle. Now we have little bit extension of this. What is that problem? How to solve that? Let's see. The first one I'm writing on the board. I will read the question so that you can understand. This will be the, again, you will find page number 23rd, section 3rd, third bit, third problem. Problem number 3. Look at here, I'm reading the problem. We will get to know what is the solution for this particular given questions or problem. Okay. The first one, show that the following 4 points in each of the following are concyclic. Concyclic, point to be noted. And find the equation of the circle on which they lie. Here, show that the following 4 points in each of the following are concyclic and find the equation on which they lie. The first thing, here it is given that we are having 4 points. In first section, first bit, 4 points, second, third, and fourth. So, first it is asking, show that these 4 points are concyclic. Okay. What is the meaning of concyclic, or what is the concept of concyclic means? I will tell you. And again, we have to find the equation of circle on which they lie. Here, you have to use any 3 points for the equation of circle. After using first point, second point, and third point, you will get the value of GFC. And from that, you will get the equation of circle. In that particular equation of circle, if you substitute this point, which you have not used early, you will get 0. Okay. So this is the result of for finding the concyclic equations of the given conditions or given equation of circles. So we will use and we will show it is concyclic or not concyclic. See here how to do solution. We have look at here. Solution. Given that the first one, what is the first one? 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, and minus 2, minus 8. These are the points given to us. Again, we have to find the equation of circle. For that, we need to write the equation of general equation of circle. The equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This particular equation of circle passing through this point, and this point, we will use fourth point afterwards. If you want to use this point, this and this, you can use afterwards. You have to use fourth point. Any 3 points, set of 3 points, you can use as per your wish. Okay, 1 point kept away. Usually, what we do, we take first point, second point, and third point. We will get equation of circle. In that, we will use the fourth point. This is our way. So I have written the equation of circle as usual. We have done it. So now equation of circle passing through 1, 1. Okay. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 2g on the place of x 1 plus 2f on the place of f y 1 plus c is equal to 0. Simplify it. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 1 the 2 into g, 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Write in a proper way. That is 2g plus 2f plus c plus 2 plus c plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. This is our equation first. Now coming to the next point. Equation of circle passing through another point. What is that? Minus 6, 0. Okay. This we have to use the another point, that is minus 6, 0. So x square 36, y square 0 square is 0, plus 2g on the place of x is minus 6 plus 2f on the place of y 0 plus c is equal to 0. Simplify it. 36 plus into minus minus 2 6 the 12g 2f into 0 0 plus c is equal to 0. So simplify it. What we are getting? Minus 12g plus 36 plus c is equal to 0. Keep it as it is. This is your equation second. Okay. Now we are having one more point to use for the equation of circle. So equation of circle passing through. What is the next point? Minus 2 comma 2. So that is minus 2 comma 2. So what we are getting again in the same equation, we have to use it. That is 4 plus 2 on the place 2g on the place of x minus 2 plus 2f on the place of y 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 4 plus 4 8 plus into minus minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So we have to write minus 4g plus 4f plus 8 plus c is equal to 0. And this is our equation third. The same concept which we have used in previous one, just with the change of for the cyclic concept. Now, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What we are getting? Equation 2 minus equation 1. Look at here, equation 2, where we are having here. Be careful while keeping the equations here, because a silly mistake will give the wrong result. So to be careful while solving each and every step. So minus 12g plus 36 plus c minus in the bracket equation 1, that is 2g plus 2f plus 2 plus 2 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, again simplifying it. Minus 12g plus 36 plus c minus 2g minus 2f minus 2 minus c is equal to 0. So plus c minus c get cancelled. So minus 12g minus 2g is how much? Minus 14g minus 2f plus 36 minus 2 is plus 34. Anything left? Nothing. Is equal to 0. So now take, we can take anything common. Yeah, if we take minus 2 common, it will be better to solve the equation. If we take minus 2 common, we will get 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. So 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0 is our equation number 4. Okay, now moving to the next part of the solution. Now equation 3 minus equation 2. So what we are getting? Equation 3 minus equation 2. Okay. What is equation 3? Minus 4g plus 4f plus 8 plus c minus in the bracket equation 2, that is minus 12g plus 36 plus c minus 12g plus 36 plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now simplifying it, what we are getting? See the result. Minus 4g plus 4f plus 8 plus c minus into minus plus 12g minus 36 minus c is equal to 0. Minus c and plus c get cancelled. 12g minus 4g is 8g plus 4f minus 36 plus 8. How much? Minus 28. Yeah. Yeah. Minus 28 is equal to 0. If we take 4 common, what we are getting? So 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. If we take 4 common, now this comes there, it will be 0. Again, this 4 becomes 0. So 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. This is our equation 5. Okay. So now till here we have got the equation 5. Again, we have to get the value of g, f, and then we have to move to the value of c. Then we have to see the condition for the contact link. How to find? We have to ref it. Okay. Here in equation 4 and 5, okay, this time solving equation 4 and 5. Solving equation 4 and equation 5. I'm keeping equation 4 as it is, that is 7g plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. And equation 5 also as it is, 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. Here I am changing the signs of these coefficients, these terms, minus, minus, and this become plus. 7g minus 2g is 5g. Plus f minus f get cancelled. Minus 17 plus 7 is minus 10 is equal to 0. So 5g is equal to 10. 5 1 the 5 2 the get cancel, g is equal to 2. The first value we have got for our required equation. So I can rough it as, now this value I want to use g value to find the value of f. I can use this value in equation 5. Okay. Put g is equal to 2 in equation 5. What is equation 5? 2g plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. On the place of g, 2 plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. 2 to the 4 plus f minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but f minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. F minus 3 is equal to 0. So f is equal to 3. We have got the value of g as 2 and the value of f as 3. Now we will find the value of c. We want to find the value of c. You can keep the value of c anywhere. If I use the equation third, it will be, equation third we have to use. This is equation third. I have read that part, but still it is visible here. So put g comma f values in equation 3. Okay. What we are having equation 3, minus 4g plus 4f plus 8 plus c is equal to 0. So minus 4 on the place of g, 2 plus 4 on the place of f, 3 plus 8 plus c is equal to 0. Simplify it. Minus 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, plus 8 plus c is equal to 0. Plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. So c plus 12 is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 12. We have got finally the value of c. Now we move back to the equation of circle. By using these all values, we will find the equation of the circle. Then we will check it for the condition of concyclic. Okay. So put the values of G comma F comma C in equation of circle. What is the equation of circle we are having? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2. On the place of g, we have to use the value of g as 2 into 2x plus 2. On the place of f, we have to use the value of f as 3 into y. On the place of c, we have to use minus 12 is equal to 0. If we simplify, what we are getting? We are getting x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the point we have got. This is the required equation of circle. Now, we have to use for concyclic. For concyclic. Okay. For concyclic, what was the point we have not used? Fourth point. What was the fourth point? Minus 2 comma minus 8. Put minus 2 comma minus 8 in the above equation. This is the required equation of circle, and this we are checking for the concyclic concept. Okay, above equation. So now what we are having? Minus 2 square on the place of x, minus 2 on the place of y, minus 8. Minus 8 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 is equal to 0. So what we are getting here, 2 square minus 2 square is 4, minus 8 square is 64, plus into minus 4 to the 8, plus into minus 6 8 the 48, minus 12 is equal to 0. 64 plus 4, 68, minus 48 minus 12 is minus 60, and minus 8 is minus 68. Okay, so plus and minus again get cancelled. So we are getting 0 is equal to 0. If you get 0, then the given points are concyclic. If it is not equal to 0, then the given points are not concyclic. And this was our required equation of circle. Therefore, the given 4 points are concyclic, and the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this was the solution for the concyclic. How to find the equation of circle if 4 points are given? If 4 points are given, 3 points you have to use. Any 3 points you can use, and you have to substitute 1 point. If you are getting 0, that is concyclic. If not getting 0, the given 4 points are not concyclic. This was the concept behind it. Okay, so today what we have learned? We have learned how to find the equation of circle if 3 points are given. This was the first problem, LAQ. Next, we have learned if circle is passing through so-and-so point, making intercept on x-axis and y-axis. That was the second condition. And this is the third condition. If 4 points are given to you and you have to check the condition of concyclic, how to prove it? This was the solution. You can check. If you're still getting any kind of doubt, please ask in the comments box. Thank you for watching it.